The F7E1 error code in a Kenmore dishwasher indicates a problem with the heating element. This issue can be caused by a faulty heating element, poor wiring between the heating element and the electronic control board, or a malfunctioning float switch. To resolve this error, start by inspecting the heating element. Unplug the dishwasher and disconnect one of the terminals to test for continuity. If the heating element is damaged, replace it with a new one. Next, inspect the wiring connection to the electronic control board, checking for loose or damaged wires, and tighten or replace them as needed. Additionally, locate the float switch and test it by lifting and releasing it several times to listen for a clicking sound. If the sound is absent, the float switch is likely damaged and should be replaced. If none of these solutions resolve the issue, it is recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.